Blizzard embraces AI, the future of video games. Blizzard Entertainment, one of the most renowned names in the gaming industry, has embraced AI technology. It is specifically integrating diffusion models into its game development, revolutionizing the gaming experience. By doing so, Blizzard can generate high-quality game content, making each player's experience unique. These AI models not only improve the graphics but also make the non-playable characters, NPCs, more interactive and realistic. This major leap towards incorporating AI will undoubtedly transform the future of video games. My quick take: with AI in the game, I guess we won't need cheat codes anymore. We'll need cheat algorithms.